In today's video, we're diving into one of the coolest new features of iOS 18, how to customize the lock screen buttons on your iPhone. The new iOS update gives you more control over the buttons you see and interact with on your lock screen, making your phone even more personalized. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Let's talk about what lock screen buttons are. These are the quick access buttons you see at the bottom of your lock screen, like the flashlight and camera icons. In iOS 18, Apple allows you to customize these buttons so you can access features you use the most, like opening a specific app, launching Siri, or even controlling smart home devices. To change the lock screen buttons on iOS 18, follow these steps. Lock the screen on your iPhone. You will see the lock screen when you open it. Keep your finger on the screen. You will see a Customize option appear at the bottom. Tap on the Customize button. Tap on the Lock Screen option. You'll see two buttons on the left and right. You see every button has a minus icon. Tap on the minus button for the button you want to remove. Now tap on the plus icon that appears where were the old button. You'll be presented with a list of options such as flashlight, camera, Siri, home controls, wallet, and much more. In the future here, we will have also options from different apps. Select your preferred function and tap it. You will see that on the lock screen, the button has changed. After you made all the updates, tap on the Done button from the top. And that's it, folks. Now you know how to change the lock screen buttons on your iPhone with iOS 18. This new feature gives you more flexibility to make your phone truly your own. And I hope you enjoy customizing your device to fit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what other iOS 18 features you want to explore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.